Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you some of the problems based on the remainder theorem and the long division. So before going to start my video, I just request all of you to get subscribed my channel if you have not get subscribed, and press the bell button in order to receive the notifications for my upcoming videos. So exercise 4.3, your first question is nothing but here. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So first we will see the long division method, that is here x plus 1 is the divisor and x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend. Okay, so the next step is what you have to do? You have to consider the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. So when you will divide this, what you are going to get? X cube divided by x. So x and x will get cancelled. What is remaining? X square is remaining. When you will divide x cube divided by x, what is remaining here? X square. 1x will get cancelled. Okay. So after that, the next step is what? This is your first term of the quotient. Okay. So after that you have to multiply this first term of the quotient to the first term of the divisor and the second term of the divisor. Okay. So x square into x is nothing but x cube plus x square into 1 is nothing but x square, isn't it? So now you have to change the sign. In place of plus you have to put minus, in place of minus you have to put the plus sign. Okay, so now x cube and x cube will get cancelled. What is remaining here? Plus 3x square minus x square. So here bigger number sign is plus, 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so the next step is what? This is your new dividend now. Okay, you have to consider this as your new dividend. Again you have to repeat the same step. Okay, so what you have to do now? This is your first term of the dividend, that is 2x square divided by the first term of the divisor, that is nothing but x. Okay, so again here 1x will get cancelled. Here 2 is there, right? So 2 into x, 1x will get cancelled. So this 2x is your second term of the quotient. Okay, so after that again the same procedure you have to repeat. The second term of the quotient you have to multiply it by the first and second term of the divisor. Okay, that is 2x into x is nothing but 2x square, that you have to write here below the new dividend. After that again you have to consider the second term of the quotient that multiplied by the second term of the divisor. Okay, 2x into 1 is nothing but again 2x. Okay, so you have to change the sign now. Okay, so 2x square and minus 2x square will get cancelled. What is remaining here? Plus 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so 1 you have to take down. So plus x plus 1. Okay, so this is your new dividend now. Okay, same step you have to repeat now. That is first term of the dividend is nothing but here x, and first term of the divisor is nothing but here x. So x divided by x is nothing but 1. So that one is your third term of the quotient. Okay, so after that what you have to do? You have to multiply the third term of the quotient to the first and second term of the divisor. So when you will multiply this, 1 into x is nothing but x and 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, so this will be is equals to, what you are going to get? You have to change the sign. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. Here also plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, 0. So here the remainder is nothing but 0. So what you have to do now? You have to do the verification by remainder theorem. Okay, so put the heading as verification by remainder theorem. So whenever you are doing the verification or by remainder theorem, what you have to do? You have to consider the zeros of polynomial, or you have to find zeros of polynomial of the divisor. So here the divisor is nothing but x plus 1, right? So now you have to find the zeros of polynomial of x plus 1. So whenever you are going to find the zeros of polynomial, you have to equate this to 0. So x plus 1 is equals to 0, right? So x will be is equals to minus 1. So this is your zeros of polynomial of the divisor, that is x plus 1. Okay, so after that what you have to do, you have to substitute this value into the dividend. Okay, so this is your dividend, right? P of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So in place of x, you have to substitute the value of x over here. What you got the value of x here? Minus 1. So this value you have to substitute here in place of x. Okay. So P of minus 1 will be is equals to minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So this will be is equals to minus 1 the whole cube is nothing but. So when you multiply this minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, you can see here minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, again minus 1. So when you multiply this again, you are going to get minus 1, isn't it? So minus 1 the whole cube is always minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square is nothing but plus 1. So plus 3 into minus 1 is nothing but 3 ones are 3, minus 3 plus 1. So this will be is equals to, so you can see over here minus 1 plus into plus 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So after that what you have to do here, minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled, plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? The remainder is 0. So in long division process also you got the remainder as 0. Here also you are getting the remainder as 0. So see this problem once again. So now we'll move on to the next problem. Your next problem is nothing but, here they have given that the remainder, the dividend is similar here, same dividend. You have to change the divisor over here, that is x minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now here your divisor is nothing but x minus 1 by 2 and the dividend is nothing but x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So this is your dividend. So now the same procedure you have to follow over here, that is first term of the dividend, that is nothing but x cube, isn't it, divided by x. So what you are going to get here? X square. So the first term of the quotient multiplied by the first term of the divisor, that is x square into x is nothing but x cube. So here x square, see here, plus into minus is nothing but minus, x square into 1 by 2 is nothing but x square 1 by 2 x square, isn't it? 1 by 2 into x square is nothing but 1 by 2 x square, or you can write x square by 2 also. So the next step is what? You have to change the sign. So when you will change the sign, in place of plus minus, in place of minus you have to put plus sign. Okay. So x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? So plus 3x square plus 1 by 2 x square. So in case of this, what you have to do is you have to remove the LCM over here, that is 3x square plus 1 by 2 x square is there, right? So if you will consider the numbers over here, 3 plus 1 by 2, isn't it? Cross multiply this, 3 2s are 6, okay, plus 1 divided by 2. So this will be is equals to 7 divided by 2. Okay, so x square as it is, 7 divided by 2 x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so the similar procedure you have to follow over here. The next step is what? You have to consider this as your new dividend. Okay, so after that this divided by the first term of the divisor, that is 7 by 2 x square. So here you can see 7 divided by 2 x square divided by the first term of the divisor is nothing but, this is rough work, x. 1x will get cancelled. Here 1x is remaining. So what is the second term of the quotient here? Plus 7 by 2, 1x is remaining, right? 7 by 2x. So the similar procedure you have to follow over here, that is 7 by 2x into the first term of the divisor, 7 by 2x into the second term of the divisor. Okay, so 7 by 2x into x is nothing but 7 divided by 2 x square. Okay, so here plus into plus, minus is nothing but minus. So 7 ones are 7, 2 twos are 4 x. Okay, so now you have to change the sign. Okay, so 7 by 2 x square minus 7 by 2 x square will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? Plus 3x and plus 7 by 4x. The same thing you have to repeat. That means you have to remove the LCM over here. That is 3 plus 7 by 4. Cross multiply this. What are you going to get? 4 3s are 12, isn't it? So 12 plus 7 divided by 4. So this will be is equals to 19 divided by 4. Okay, so the answer what you are getting over here is plus 19 by 4 x. Okay, so plus 1 is there. This plus 1 I am going to take over here. So after that what you have to do, the same procedure. This is your new dividend now. You have to divide this, like 19 by 4 x divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x. Okay, x and x will get cancelled. What is remaining? Plus 19 by 4. Okay, so after that what you have to do here is again the same procedure, 19 by 4 multiplied by the x. Okay, so 19 by 4x. So plus into minus is nothing but here minus 19 ones are 19 divided by 4 2s are 8. So change the sign again, minus plus. Okay, so this will get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 plus 19 by 8. Again cross multiply this. 8 plus 19 divided by 8, isn't it? So what you are going to get? 27 by 8. So plus 27 by 8. So this is your remainder. So this is the long division method. So we can verify this by using the remainder theorem. So just see this once again. So remainder what we are getting over here is 27 by 8. Now the same problem will verify this by using the remainder theorem. So I told you whenever you are using the remainder theorem, first you have to find the zeros of polynomial of the divisor. Okay, here your divisor is nothing but 1x minus 1 by 2. So whenever you are finding the zeros of polynomial, what you have to do? You have to equate this polynomial to 0. So x will be is equals to 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 you have to substitute in the dividend. P of x is equals to, your dividend is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so now this will be is equals to P of 1 by 2. In place of x you have to substitute the value as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will be is equals to 1 by 2 the whole cube. 1 cube divided by 2 cube. Right? When you will open this bracket, you are going to get 1 cube divided by 2 cube. So 1 cube is nothing but again 1. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 as it is into, so 1 square means 1 2 square means 4 over here, plus 3 ones are 3 and divided by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 4 plus 3 by 2 and 1. Okay. So now here you can see here nothing is there means you have to consider as 1, right? So now you have to remove the LCM. Okay. You have to make the denominator same. So then only you can add this number. Okay. So here you can see how you can remove the LCM over here. So just consider this 8, 4, 2 and 1. Okay. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, right? So now 2 1s are, yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here 8 is the LCM. So 1 by 8. So this is already 8. So 3 by 4 you have to make the denominator as 8. So in order to make the denominator as 8, what you have to multiply, that you have to see. So 4 2s are 8, right? So what you are going to multiply in the denominator, the same number you have to multiply to the numerator, plus 3 by 2 into, so you know, right, 2 4s are 8, right? So the same number you have to multiply to the numerator, plus 1 by 1 is there, right? 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8. So 1 by 8 plus 3 2s are 6 by 8 plus 4 3s are 12 by 8 plus 8 by 8. Okay. So now you can see over here the denominator is same, right? 8. So you have to add the numerator now. 7 plus 12 plus 8. Okay. So what you are going to get? You are going to get again 27 by 8. Okay. So this is your verification by remainder theorem. Okay. So now let us see the third problem now. Your third problem is nothing but the divisor they have given over here as x. Okay. So this x is there. No, this is your divisor. Sorry, dividend. Divisor. So this you have to consider as divisor. Dividend is already given. It is same for every all the questions. 3x square plus 3x plus 1, isn't it? So now what you have to do over here? Again the same procedure you have to follow. The first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. X cube by x is nothing but x square. So x square into x is nothing but again x cube. So change the sign, cancel it, take it down. 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Again the same method, that is you have to consider this as the new dividend. Okay. So after that what you have to do, this 3x square divided by x is there, no, plus 3x. Okay. So because 3x square divided by x, right, 1x will get cancelled. What is remaining? 3x. So 3x into x is nothing but 3x square. Change the sign, cancel it, take it down again. So here also the same procedure, 3x divided by x, x and x will get cancelled. What is remaining? 3. Yes. So 3 into x is nothing but 3x. Change the sign. So the remainder is over here x 1. Okay. So now again the verification by remainder theorem. Okay. So in order to verify this, what you have to do? First you have to find the zeros of polynomial. So whenever you are going to find the zeros of polynomial, you have to take the divisor and you have to equate that to 0. Here directly we got the answer, the value of x as 0 over here, right? So what you have to do now, this value of x you have to substitute to the dividend, that is p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so what you have to do now, p of 0 will be is equals to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. In place of x I am putting the value as 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So what is remaining here? Plus 1. So you can see here the remainder is plus 1. Okay. So this is the verification by remainder theorem. So